Good morning, children. Welcome back to math session. In yesterday's class, you have gone through arithmetic mean problems. Yes? And I know that you have done very nicely because some children have sent to me the homework. So very nicely they did. And to cross check your answers, today after my video, you just go through the key. Okay, I am going to send all the sums which you have done in exercise 3.1. okay, in 3.1 whatever the sums I have given all the homework, and full exercise 3.1 I am going to send the key. And today we are going to discuss about mode and median. Okay, so mode, how to find out mode and median. Okay, very easy, children. So mode, just I'll give you one example here. See here, 1 5 7 9 1 3 4 1 2 3 5 1. Okay, I gave you like this the question I have given like this: 1 5 7 9 1 3 4 1 2 3 5 7. Okay, the first thing you have to do for mode and median is, okay, first I am going to tell you about mode. Okay, how to find out mode from the given problem. Okay, first arrange in ascending order or descending order. Okay, any order no problem, but it is better easy ascending order, that means small to big. So 1, any one, here 1, okay, here also 1, so here also one more 1, okay, next, so 1's over, next 2, next any more 2's are there? No. Okay, 3's, next any more 3's? Here it is 3, okay, there are 2, 1, 2, 3's, okay, 1, 2, there are 3's, next 4's, okay, next is 4's. Okay, 4 is there here. Okay, 4, next 5, next 7, next 9. Okay, so 1 1 1 2 3 3 4 5 7 9. Is it clear, children? So you arrange in ascending order, that is small to big. Now in this, which occurred more, that means the number which occurred more, that means which number came more frequently, that is nothing but 1. That is nothing but 1. So therefore mode equals to 1. So the answer is very easy. Is it clear? So mode is 1. Suppose in case you may get doubt, sir, here 4 ones came, that means the 4 is required more, so more times it came, so that is the answer. Which number will comes more times, that is the answer. Suppose 2 also come 4 times. Suppose 2 also come 4 times. Then what is the answer? Both 1 and 2 will comes as a mode. Both 1 and 2 comes as the answer for mode. Is it clear? So this is the way how to find out the mode. Now coming to the median. Okay, coming to the median, first you have to arrange in ascending order, same like this. Okay, and count how many are there first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, I'll tell you the easiest method for you how to find out the median. Actually the middle number, that means at the centermost number is called median. Means among this, the centermost number is called median. So how to find out? Very easily I'll tell you. 1 1 1 1. That means you arrange in ascending order. 3 3 4 5 7 9. What I told you, the middle number, at most the middle number is called mode. But how will you find the middle number? I tell you. Round up here 1 at the last one. So round one number from the beginning and from the last number. This is simple trick, that's all. So without commit any mistakes. Next, here one more number, here another number. Just with pencil if you do, it will better. Next, okay, one more, one more, one more, one more. So what is left at the middle? 3. So median is 3. Median equals to 3. Is it clear, children? Now median equals to 3. Now how to find mode and median you understood very clearly. Is it clear? Yes or no? So how to find out mode? First you have to select write in ascending order. You have to write in ascending order and see that which number comes more, that will be the mode. And coming to the median, the center of that number is median, because in the high school you have different. That means how to find out median is you have different way. That is because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 are there. Here 5 you have taken, here 5 you have taken, exactly 1 left. But sometimes it will not be like that. 2 numbers also will be there. So that will be the problem. So for that, in high school we have one more method. That is, when the numbers are odd, this number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is odd number. There is a way, one more way to find out direct median. If there are even number, like suppose here 11 odd, so one more method. If there are 12 numbers are there, that is even number. So there are 2 different methods when there are even number and there are odd numbers. So don't bother about that at all. Okay, don't bother about that at all. Just only follow this method, because at present in your syllabus only this method is there. Okay, next. Now coming to the exercise part, children, that is exercise 3.2. okay, that is exercise 3.2. it's a complete homework. Why? Because it's same. See, you just think, for me explanation only this much time taken. Now you know how to do the sum. How much time it will take? Just tell me for one sum. Hardly 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Still, if you have that much, means just more 5 minutes. Just exactly 5 minutes for sum. That for 5 minutes is more than enough for one sum. Okay. So here 5 sums are there. 5 sums are there. And all the 4 sums are same model. All 4 sums are same model sum. There is no change at all. Okay. So exercise 3.2, just take it as a homework. Okay. Next, coming to the 5th question, you have to tell whether it is true or false. The mode is always one of the number in a data. Yes, that means mode is from this, the given information only. No? This is the data is given. In that only mode came. So it is a true. Next, the mean is one of the number in data. Mean, you know how to find out the mean. Sum of the numbers by number of addends. So it is obviously false. Yes. It will not comes exactly from the given data. May chance, but always it's not correct. So that's why answer is false. Next, the median is always one of the number in the data. The median, yes. Now median is this one, 3. So from this data only it came, no, 3. So yes, it is true. Next, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 19 has mean 9. We don't know the mean is 9 or not. You know how to find out the mean. Sum of the numbers by number of addends. You just find out and check. If you get the answer 9, so true. If you did not get the answer 9, it is false. Is it clear, children? Now we will go for the bar graphs. Okay, we will go for the bar graph. So bar graphs, before explanation of bar graphs, I am going to explain how to draw the graphs and how you have to place x-axis and y-axis. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, children, see here. Here I have drawn one line. So just nothing but a sleeping line. But here it is called as horizontal line. Okay, what it is called? Horizontal line. Horizontal line. Here one more line I am drawing here. that is a straight line, is nothing but vertical line. Vertical line. Okay. Now the horizontal line is called x-axis. The horizontal line is called x-axis, whereas the vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. See here. Here the vertical line and the horizontal line both intersect like this. Okay. Both intersect like this. Okay. Why I am telling you this one means it will be very helpful for your further classes. Okay. At present this one no need, but still I am explaining. It is needed, but in what way I am going to tell you. Okay. See here. Both the horizontal line and the vertical line intersect at one point, that is called O. That is nothing but origin. That is nothing but origin. Okay. So origin will denote it with the letter O. Origin will denote it with the letter O. And here if you clearly observe, in right side you can see all positive numbers. Right side all positive numbers and left side all negative numbers. Okay. Right side you see all positive numbers and left side all negative numbers. Similarly, above line, that means this is the center. The center above line all positive numbers and here the below one is all negative numbers. Okay. Just for clarification I gave you like this. Okay. But in our grade 7 there is only using of the positive, that means these two, only positive, means positive axis only. Okay. So further you are going to learn how to draw both the positive and negative, that is Cartesian plane, that is completely different. Okay. But at present you will learn how to draw a bar graph. Okay. Here like this you have to draw the bar graph. Okay. I will explain and I will show you. A bar graph means it will be in the form of rectangles and there will be gap between the rectangles. The bar graph you can easily identify. There will be a gap between every rectangle like this. So you can draw a bar graph like this. Okay. So how to draw the bar graph, what is the scale, how to take the scale and everything I am going to tell you now. Okay. Is it clear, children? See here, children. This is the graph. Okay. Can you see? This is the graph. Okay. The graph will be like this. Okay. You can see very clearly, children. This is the graph. Okay. If you observe in this graph, you just see here one block. See here the block. Shall I mark it and I will show you? See here. See here, children. As I told you, I blocked one block there. Did you observe very clearly? Yes. And in that block you observed two more lines with little bit dark. Did you observe? Okay. So I am going to draw the same figure on the board and I am going to explain for you. See here, as I told you, I blocked this one. No? I am drawing here little bit big. I am drawing the blocked one. Okay. So like this it is there, right? So, and as I told you that observe one line that is like this. If you clearly observe one more line, it will be dark in this. Okay, in the graph, you observe as I told you, the one more lines are there like this dark line. Okay, so here this will be the fifth line, children. That means In this block, there are 10 lines. Okay, see here, 5, fifth line, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry, we just take it from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth line. 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th line. Similarly, that means till now I have drawn horizontal lines. Similarly, you have vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth line. The dark, little bit dark line is there, no? That is fifth line. 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th line. So the graph will be like this. Okay. So this is the block I have drawn you separately and I am explaining you. Okay. Now there are so many blocks in your graph paper. Okay. See here, so many are there in your graph paper. Okay. Now how to draw the graph I am going to tell you. Okay. See here, the question is completely based on two types. One, they will give you the graph, means everything will be given. See, here they have given the graph like this. Okay, just an example I am telling you. Otherwise, I will show you here in exercise they gave one graph here. In exercise 3.3, if you clearly observe, the first question itself is given a graph. So, basing on the graph, they are several questions. That means almost all what? They have drawn completely the graph, and basing on this graph, they ask the questions for you. Okay. Now, they will ask us to draw a bar graph. Then, how to draw? Okay. Just here, if you take an example 3, page number, sorry, not exercise 3.3, page number 73. Page number 73, if you take third question, I will tell you how to draw a graph. Okay. See here, they has given a table, class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay. And number of children in 5th class 135, 6th 120, 7th 95, 8th 100, 9th 90, 10th 80. He asked first, how would you choose a scale? As I told you, no, the scale is very important to draw the bar graph. The scale is very much important to draw the scale. Okay, because when you are drawing the bar graph, we will give the marks basing on drawing of line x-axis and y-axis. Just simply I am telling you. Suppose it is a 4-mark question. Okay. Suppose it is a 4-mark question. First we will see exactly how you are drawing the graph. That means the line here, if you clearly observe, on that line exactly you should get it. Okay. But this is not your graph. Simply I am telling you. This is the way of drawing. See here how I have drawn the x-axis like this. So on that line exactly, accuracy. That means they will see exactly how drawing or like that. Similarly, y-axis also. Okay. Similarly, y-axis also they will see. Then they will give you half mark for that. And for the scale, how you have chosen the scale according to the given tabular form. That means in the given question they are just now they are given the tabular form now. So how you are going to choose a table that you have to write on the above the graph. Like this you have to write. Okay. For that 1 mark. So like that they are going to give you graph. Okay. Marks. How they are going to give the marks for the graph means like that. Okay. Now see here. The class 5th year 135, 6th 120, 7th 95, 8th 100, 9th 90, 10th 80. First we have to see that which is the highest one. Which is the highest number. If you see there, the highest number is 135. Okay. But our graph, wherever you go, the graph will be almost all this much. Okay. So it will not come if you take each block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 like that, means hardly 15 or 16 or 17 or 20, not more than that. Okay, understood? So like that means it's not possible, but here it is given 135. So how you choose one block as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 135 means you want nearly 10, 20, 50 graphs you want. So it's highly impossible. That's why they have given a scale. So how you have to choose a scale, I'll tell you now. Okay, see here. First, this is your, I am simply drawing your book graph paper like this. Okay, so see here, suppose this is your graph paper or graph book. Better it is if you use graph book, children. Okay, see here, like this you have to draw the, means not draw, just simply I am telling you, this is your graph paper or graph book. Okay, in graph book you will have one side white, and here this is a graph book. Here this side you will have white paper, and this side you have either green color or red color. Graph will be like this. Okay, now how to draw the graph for the given question? First, just leave two lines is better. From the graph, 2 blocks you leave, means but it will be very easy for you, or 1 block also no problem. Okay, so exactly on that the green color or red color line, you just draw a straight line like this. That means horizontal line. That means what? X-axis. You are drawing X-axis. Similarly, you have to leave here also 1 block, and you have to draw the graph like this. Okay, okay, like this you have to draw. Exactly you have to draw like that. Okay, children, now you understood very clearly. This is the line, the horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, now see the question now. 135, I am writing here 135, 120, 95, 100, 90, 80. Like this it is given. Okay, now how we are going to draw the bar graph, I am telling you. First, you have to write here scale. Scale you have to write. Okay, that means here if you clearly observe or not, if you find out from your scale, the block is given here. No, I have drawn one block. No, that block is nothing but 1 centimeter. That block is exactly 1 centimeter. If you want to just take a scale and check the block, it will be exactly 1 centimeter. That means, okay, according to your scale, 1 centimeter. But here they will not give you 135 centimeters or 120 centimeters. That's why we have to take it as a units. You have to take this one as a units. See here. Now these are centimeters. No, how you have to choose now centimeters into units? I am going to tell you. Listen. Here 135. As I told you, you can't draw that much big graph. Yes. So better if you take 20s. Means each block 1, 2, 3, 4. That means first one. Here it will be 0 because as I told you, okay, the intersection between x-axis and y-axis will be the 0. That is the origin. 0. Here we can take now from here to here it is 1 block. Like this it will be. I have drawn the big one. If you see the graph, it will be very small. So you just take it 20. Next 40. Next 60. Next 80. Just draw like this. Next 100. Next 120. Next 130. Okay. Still if you want, you have to draw more. 150. Sorry, 30, 150. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Sorry, here 140, right? Here 140. It is enough. 160. So 140 is enough for us. 140. If you write 160 also, no problem. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Okay. Now, see here now. The first one is 135. As I told you, now from here to here how much? 1 centimeter. As I told you now, from here to here it is 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to now 20 units. 1 centimeter equals to 20 units. Is it clear now? From here to here 1 centimeter. Okay. Now 1 centimeter you are taking as 20 units. Is it clear now? So 1 centimeter means 20 units. Now 135. Where 135 will be here? Just leave the first line and see from here. The means first line is this one. Now start from here. Okay. So 120. So at the center between 120 and 140, 135 will be here. Okay. So draw a straight line first like this on the graph. Draw a straight line, and here one line will be there. Just draw with scale only. Don't use a freehand scale. Then join this one. So this will be 135. What is that? Class 5th. Okay. You can write like this. FIFTH. And if you want to do any shadings with color, you can do. Okay. In your graph book, you can do with any color. You can do coloring also, no problem. Next, 120. Just leave one line again, 120. Here it is 120. So here 120 it is. Exactly here 120. So draw like this, and this line. Okay, and join like this. So this is exactly 120. Next, 95. So 80, and here at the center 90. 95 approximately nearest to 100. So sometimes we will not get exactly. So you can take approximately, no problem. Okay. Here 80, 90, 100. Okay. The center one is 90. Here it will be 100. 95 means just 2 lines. You just take it. Okay. Or third line also, no problem. So here like this. Like this if you draw. Then you can draw like this. Okay. That is 95. 100. You know exactly 100. So 100 exactly you can draw like this. Okay. Exactly 100 you can draw like this. The graph will be sufficient, children. But here I have drawn the less thing. That's why. And similarly 90, 80 also you have to do like this. And the given names you can write in this block, or down you can write like this. No problem. Or up also you can write like this. No problem. But if you do shading, it looks very good. And they have chances of what? Giving more marks for neat handwriting and neat coloring and everything. Okay? Because however you have to write the exam in your school, not in the PDF and sending to us. So we will be seeing everything, how you have done everything. Okay? So today homework, you just take complete exercise 3.2, complete exercise 3.2, and tomorrow, now you understood very clearly how to draw the graph. Okay. So 3.3 complete homework for tomorrow. Okay. Completely homework for tomorrow. And probability is there. That is one last exercise 3.4. Okay. So I am going to tell you 3.4 also, and we'll finish up the chapter. Okay. And next we are going to start congruency of triangles. Okay. Congruency of triangles. I think it is very clear how to draw the graph, children. Still, if you have any doubts, just message me. So again I am going to explain for you. Okay. Have a nice day, children.